Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now, yeah. So now let's go to one of the demo site. Okay. I'll show you that. So this is a demo site here. So org HRM demo site. So most of the time I'll refer this site. So it is a open source. So we can automate this site. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Origin HRM. Just type it Origin HRM demo site. So we have a live site also. Okay, but we'll go with the demo site for our test. Okay. So now, yeah, this is our login panel, right? Are you
Yes.
able to see my screen, right? Are you
Yes, sir.
following?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So there is a our in this screen there is a login panel, right? So in login panel, so what are the things we are able to see? One is the username
Uh,
and password field, and click on login button, right? Okay. So we want to automate this. Okay. So this is one of the test case, suppose. So you know how to write a test case?
no, sir.
Yeah. Suppose there is a login test case. So test case name. So just I will write it here. There is a sample. Yeah. Okay. Test case. Okay. So verify. Okay. Verify login functionality. Login functionality. Okay. So what is the steps to follow? So first thing is step one, right? So step one, open Chrome browser, open Chrome browser, and the second one is uh, load our demo site. Okay, so just I'm giving a URL, not giving URL, demo site only. And after the demo site, we will be in that login panel. Okay, so enter username, enter username in the username text field. Okay, username text field. It is a text field, right? There is an I'm telling text field. And fourth one is enter the password. Okay, into the password text field. Okay, and fifth one is click on login. Login button. It is a button. So this is my manual test case here. Okay, so generally the manual test case will be derived like this, and we are going to automate. Okay, so for automation, what we required? So as a manual user, you just will open the browser and we'll see the uh, login panel and we'll enter the username, password, and click button. So here for automation, so here we need a WebDriver binary, okay, Selenium binary to open, okay, jar files, okay, and we need to integrate and loading the URL. So there is a WebDriver get method, okay, get method, and we should pass a URL here, okay, and here we need a driver dot find element locator we need here by dot locator. Okay, so by is a class name, and just I say like by locator itself is a method, right? So just I and that is the reason by locator. Okay, so we need to identify the locators for this username and by locator and which locator it has, and similarly for login also. Then we'll write a driver dot find element something. Clear? So let's find out that uh, find out the locators. So right click, okay, and inspect. There is a right panel you can see. Yeah, yeah. So this is the location where we are referring. So now you can see uh, it is a spam, right? Span, okay. Span
Yes,
is a
sir.
tag name and class is a one of the attribute, and in between the value will be there. Okay,
Okay.
and and you can see this is a not a exact node. It is a uh, it is a label display. So this label, right, within that label, okay, and but it is a input type, right? It is a text box. So this is a input tag, and input tag has name. Name is a text user, and here right now this tag has three attributes. First is a name attribute, it has a value. ID attribute, it has a value. Type attribute, it has a text value, right?
Yes.
So and also it has a division. So which means how they created. So first is a division, div. Inside that, so let's will here. So first is a div tag, and inside that input tag, and inside that what yeah, same hierarchy spam. So similarly they created HTML like this. Okay, the area of a text box which will have a division. Inside the division there is a input tag, and inside the spam tag to display your label in a spam. Whatever the developer has designed like this, we don't bother why they kept. Okay, we don't bother about why they kept. Yes. So we just follow that up. What is our proper tag? Okay, and what is the attribute of the tag? That's it. Nothing else. Okay. So let's take ID. So ID is the most preferable thing. Okay. First, we need to give that first choice. If it is ID, just take the ID first. Okay. So just I'm taking ID here, and um, hold on. Yeah. So first I need to load the URL, right? Hey driver dot manage. So first I need to maximize that. Okay, tomorrow I'll tell you what is a manage, how where from where I'm taking the methods, right? Yeah. So now driver dot maximize manage dot window dot maximize, and driver dot get URL. So what is the URL? So this is my site URL. Open open demo. Okay, and now I have to identify that. So driver dot find element by dot ID. Okay. So within the double quotation, so we should copy that particular ID. So double click and copy. Okay, and paste it here. So and you can provide that send key. And send key is a within the double quotation because it is a sequence of characters. So admin. So here in the site itself, it's tell that username is admin, a capital admin, password is password small. Okay. So similarly, we need to inspect a second password field. Okay. Inspect password field, and you can see the password input text, and we'll take a name here. Okay. Text password. Okay. Same thing again. First, second statement. So, okay. Hey driver, please find my element of name has, okay, name has text password. Okay. Once you find, so just send key or whatever given here. Okay. Admin. So here is the username A capital, and for password is small 123, right? Okay. Small 123, I think. Yeah. So small 123, 123. Okay. And So one more thing is, yeah, login button. Okay. So login button. So here is, I'll take ID only. So just copy ID and okay. So driver dot find element. So by dot name. So the above one is not a class name. It is a name only. Sorry. Okay, name, and within that name. So now it is a element, right? So button is a element, but WebDriver doesn't know that whether it is a text box, whether it is a button. It is an element. So you can give send key also. Okay, but WebDriver doesn't know what is a web element type. That it will identify the element. You have to decide the action. Whether it is a text box, you send, you perform send key. Whether it is a button, right? It is a button, right? So we should do the click.
Oh, dot click.
Yeah, dot click.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
so
think you copied ID button login instead of me.
yes, okay, button login copied ID, right? I'll change it, or I'll change it to name, copy button. Yeah, button. Either way, both will work. Okay, so this is the one. Yeah, you just tried to in our Eclipse. My Eclipse is not working. I could not run today,
Oh, okay.
so I will fix it
I will
and
try
I'll run
it.
tomorrow. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so
Thank you.
this is a site. Just type in Google, like uh, origin or okay, what is the site? Yeah, origin HRM.
Orange HRM.
Yeah, orange HRM demo. Just type it. This is the first one.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll stop here and we'll continue tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.